Baby or club be after in Libyan. Probability so between Nadal and higher. What I say?
Alright, Abusia and so say share beam and said there be a money a higher relationship corner, a high D incomo and plantation come relationship once and semi-ade. No maybe I tree youth not dream, no maybe I say ancient and tears any other. Now youth in a head and coffee penny be a youth and I said it's tears here. See, and actually net your pap him like that. Then we just bring it to you so you can also have fun. Also, will be educated and will be entertained as well. Said the money na meeting at the coffee nyansa. So and minimum budget for Ra.
No, I mean time for Benjamin, no bit from the lawyer.
Any
personal bit your family.
Era, until era any lawyer and a barber come on. And the topic one night stand. One night stand. Because of one night stand cry any day. Minimum agent but may who agent draw to a nasi na who say and only day should they be encouraged? And I said but around my account one night stand and send out it as
In fact, we pay a club. Now I share them. Not sad time now, when I should so without any affections, feelings, and I say,
Bibiati say we pin we share bema then honum na nti ase aye adwuma mo fili mo kaka na nti ase aye adwuma nkomo na say ida say club ha ana kamu ana say fie bibia mebia na say akoso also ti ase
Nice stand so let PSM me person be kwajima ni mako club mako shio ba e wo ye club na me makika what ya share me na me ni nada I think say the minimum dey support it kasa me support ya na me do is answer me pe na me kwajima ni wo club and also pen also free face also bedu ani and then DJ so dey sha say free baby na kuye baby me jima ni e ma o dem to that so ju ani wan ju ani anwi e ba sa kra na ho kra nto what ya say enti se ani due ni be wie peyo no sa nyuma ni be mu a ate se eboa ma ani je no e wie peyo what ya say enti meji tum meji pene no de ehia what ya say
to you no we pie na makohia mo ho na modidi mo ho nkomo ne ade na aseta man ko ade
it's a sofa so no safa ni yes
okay
it's a sofa me dey hia me
okay
hia pa
to you it's a good thing as
I hia pa bra
okay
pie kwajuani na oshi oba edana enenenda you know fan fala
okay so you saying
I don't accept it.
okay
Because me kasa my man, be ma je you can have sex with anyone. Be a with men another. But a man, sex is really important. Me say me if I'm not sexually attracted to you, now so me mu kampuna. Na me na because me boss. And then most women will regret one night stand. Oba sorry anapa. That be want me mbem.
Okay. Oma me mbem kaka.
Want to add okasa me be.
What can say be na so
okasa ma.
And do the kasa.
Oba sorry anapa. Normally one night stand happens when you are drunk. Because club na yakoni mensa na sa nyama. Inti no you are not thinking straight.
That's true.
All right, so you are not thinking straight. That's what Priscilla is saying. Let's just turn. Let's do a quick turn, and when we come back, we'll continue. I know lawyer wants to say a whole lot of things, but yeah, Koba and I about the cancer, baby. All right, until young Comra. Abusia, you try and aba. When we went for the break, then you still an argument no cost. I hired the pan. I'm so sure so I was so any lawyer not a drew so.
That's true. Mrs. Tekasano, I can send the baby, but if I say man who say the same no Canadian. Clabia baby, or castle could you and you may bring a cosso. Na so I could pick, I know sarcasm. As some of Kayam Pessamic Cantano ye. Say or Casama ma or say mine na.
I mankata.
Also Casama mine.
So Casama ma.
So Casama ma. So Casama by one. What I say? Aha. And you miss me on my Casama mema. What I say? Because club, you may cost for club be brave. And what's me a fruit fear so bad you and in dear, madam. No, I could see a bemma. Na bemma no approach you and now approach you no. Muffily attracted to each other. Who are somehow kind of say, maybe you have so mukra na, mean casas are bemanuna and then you. Answer who some pel crown one pnea, a better mean what that. Make us say, me feel attracted to you now, so feel attracted to me, and shall see an answer. Or requesting more, or requesting BB a frimbo. And yes, I dear and can't jump to me to be mount. What I say, nearly none of Hossa, I hold your man.
You cheer Hossa.
Nya obey and then the master had never shim to say, go, Minya, as some in the da, Namtimika. Because maybe ball hooker, because I was a cockroach for dropping a one.
Mod class or club mod outside the 4 cities. But club your 20 cities. I'm
because I do who to
times 5.
Now, would you keep up? Oh, request you and I request you and I request number you are my files a day. And my father, Madam Wayne, as I said, Bem, I say life and colored.
But in 2 days, and then at a point, Crano, Senka, Obi, so a year no crown count or buyer. And you na person sa ofie machine ho ensa na person no ma ensa na person no ma
club no
enye asane ensa no
ni na wom club ya obi special idea sa anyoma ni
na obi create me ba because of so be obepe be ma
obai na obehia me no be wa ko level na ya ko no wa wani je hu ntina oda so di machi no
oh yeah be ntina o kasa sa
da bi menye be ma mama wo say wo no say o ya dia o ta ko club a obi say club de oba ha.
Okay, fine. Oh yeah, Bemen now, Casa. It's also your by
customer trend last. That's what I can say. And a sad ya saw my main facade, no, any other and stream is into him, into him. I mean,
but lawyer, let's correct something. And yet, Obebia and a be who or clubber or Peso to be man. Obi on mo to me who said we see appear me patch me ba. Can I make a point? Can I make a point? My club akwa she will be paying. Wa me mentua a peswa.
Okay.
She even wanted to even pay for my drinks and all. Just that or feel some connection be some vibe be and then obi o to me who per how I appear keke ntino. Like go feel say or no yeah.
It was so ba no one try o try so in because level be level be. I think so one try me boy. Ka try e bia na nke farmer because e bia betumi afa o ba o no
so say they make can say do them person who ni say o pe wasem say o pe wo so whatever. And your baby na be hu o club a obe mo atoto ne o ma.
Obe bia o club bia kwaji na ni bia probability so betumi na da o ha no e higher. What I say?
That's a lie.
Okay.
So fine.
Probability say me share na ya, o de be chem no. Hi.
Okay, fine. So, baby, or club will be
probably
so the what's your take? Okay.
Because sometimes we even have girls' nights out. You call club, yeah, man, club. You think that anytime I be pay, I'm more minding a piano. Sometimes we go out to go and have fun on our own.
No, Castro, Uncle Shiabe being fully attracted to the guy.
It happens.
Emma, lawyer meba. Manenkasa lawyer manenkasa.
It happens. And even this one night stand as my company, we are not even talking about the act now. No, how you would feel about it.
Me dem feel you many bet you.
No. So when you go like Oye Bema, I don't get it. Why are you saying Oye Bema? Because at the end of the day, the thing happened. It was a mutual agreement. One repeal. What you say bra or side bench no yem for body yem if want to say go finya how the chime pa and also say oba also say o tia tia me face and na enti ase abem whether say na one no monsa and now on monsa there was agreement. I'm coming there was an agreement and na say there no akoso and the bia na obi ko have a one night stand na nipa na abo
of course.
Good. And I sad na cause it means say anya sound kwan a bit mama sad na cause. But I didn't now cause or be me at the end of the day when feel
women are more emotional than men.
Okay.
Women are very emotional. If you are then she was attracted to the guy. But why the guilt, the shame.
Okay. Why shame?
You met someone for the first time. Then you slept with
so
them.
So let me ask you, what's so wrong about meeting somebody for the first time and sleeping with a person? Do you know there are some people who have been in relationships for 4 years, 5 years? Or be one night pet. Afterwards, the guy can't even forget the girl. Well, on an ankasa one day cry or die.
How many times does that happen?
But it happens.
But how many times?
Whether
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. That's a good average. That's a good thing. So a BSc that.
What you feel? That's what you feel. I come back to a club. You be so be a so Japan. You be soon to be a
club.
Bible.
And then most of the times, there are no mentality near you be on say. Even the outfitter obe share aqua club. Any new man obey aqua club. How the things are or honor. So why should you be so shameful?
And the man crab bandaging because say when not got not table, much I would think come on, or you now much Marco Sack was so moon or responding war. And never must have been.
So now the problem is why is it a problem afterwards? I didn't know a problem.
Do you know, sir, after most one night stands, we don't get to meet the person. I hardly say you guys get in touch.
That is why it's called one night.
Listen, what if you start getting attached to that person? Let's say you like the D so much. Yeah, you don't feel that way.
So this is where people go wrong. If you feel, especially those who get drunk, you feel that I want to do this with this person. At least pick the person's contact.
But it's a one night stand.
Good.
You don't take contact.
Good. Then that is so wrong. So what if during the intercourse or during the action you got so much into him and now you want to see him again? Sometimes people turn out getting pregnant for people they have one night stand with.
So why would you even have it in the first place?
It is necessary.
Why is it necessary?
Hey, me dey hear you.
I didn't hear say.
I didn't
No,
know
so and one night now, one night no.
Club no. You pay you. And I'm not catch.
So what club bia say we are just going to have.
Me na me pay me nya no my brother. Me na me pay me nya my brother di.
Hey lawyer.
Me nya me pay o. Me nya 24 me nya 3 crore hank me fa. Me nya my brother di. Hey. Anu nya me koso club. Hey.
Discussion are very interesting. Very interesting. But the mistake I say, be a winning be a name. Idea being experience be or cry. You can share with us. Just leave your comment here. Just down below. Just leave your comment there. So one night stand a year. Should it be encouraged? What share the partner for the first time? Say a club, say a club. Market can honor na o feeling o feel mako didi nko and the afa. A year should they be encouraged or not? Also leave your comment. So Priscilla, what are you still saying? Because you are trying to say that sex has become a shameful act if it is done just once. But after Sadano, I start to also the shame. Is that what you are saying?
You don't know. I don't know.
Is that what you are saying? So what are you saying?
Have you no
Which you'll be for the first time. We've not even talked about the health aspect of it. Oh, and so by the club, you have to protection.
Hey, I didn't mean my dear dumb to me, but and I'm saying, do you know something? And I'm saying, do you know something? And I'm saying, Unimadibi, Clubber, and some costume, you can't want
and a club now, cry to say, and no class be bread on condom. And I'm saying, class be bread on condom. You know, I'll put it to you. Oh, yeah, what one who free. So club yan obuano. Onim say bibi odi be yes. I say oh no, it's not like that.
Because I didn't
lawyer.
Me bad man.
Okay, lawyer me so asem. Sad you say do sika say mean say e be esi life mo pain.
Me be sim life but me nan for na de bia. Me a club there naturally. And naturally speaking, we no be a mako club that.
Okay.
Ko be that. But me nan for call. And I say, me na me guy be our 2 coin. Or say, a coin with no back running in that by a honum na, man editing a cohoi, hold your much charge yankas or discana on your be mother.
What's a head there?
Hold your much charge at the dinner of Leso sexa. Who's our Brichino a year, honor a whole certainly different from Ghana. How I be fan of Fala.
And to me, oh, guys, now, afterwards, almost sunny girls interacting, and I said because it's one night.
Because they go on the cram or yet more club hall. What I say? I tried in the baho. So may a man or more club when even send a man club no and you about will be a quiet home. Some money be. What I say? I thought I was so who know. Thought I was more high. No, we had to know trim. I want no say sinners. What I say, I see a human see. What I say, why who become now who come. I thought that maybe to me to maybe to go brown for man.
Most of the time, a man no come.
I think my friend, no, my friend do or USCCR, and then he shared a similar experience, and then all can I say on a girl no, so I call almost bare say a year or two. Now be acquiring having sex that the be all year so he decided to club that Friday, and then when he went. Said you on so sat to do sisa, and said you see someone near the or sunny at the nana said, girl, black American be following man. It's a club one of no, then you can first one.
What's that say?
Or turn some girl, maybe baby, or sunny girl on the coffee. The next day, the following Friday, the following week Friday, or call you say who girl, or call you on high, you're going to pay about the bagage. And they see on me no way I see what na me feel say
na me ho ba
and
na me ho ide
aba
myself
it hardly happens
but it happens
but it hardly happens
you see I'm no club na mkoshia metumi aye
why
obeyen
na me koshia no
so me kan nyina ne say one night stand no eya na
Eye. Ehunya. Ese say encourage you. Ye be ne de bia.
Wonder why?
Ye be ne.
Okay, into lawyer.
Me anu so me kokka me nyam nyo.
Into oye. Why did that?
Me kokka me nyam
nyo. Let's not limit it to club pay.
Yeah.
Otimi share obi oyi.
No, mam ka some talk. Wo hu wene. Na wo ma me no adi nkomo na wa ba me fie. I say what do you mean? Enu ya share na we di me chia kofie. Otimi me mfa. Na okofia ko eden se di no mfie nti akọ udi obema na china ko ni fie ni ya so ni bema na hia se mu hia kem se mu hia ni ya
da ko bosom na de ne be ko fie
am ko fie se ni ehundra nya me masema nya masema dodo na omo di akọ na amu hia bosom da omo ka se bosom o wiase de bia so ko mo fafala madam wadi bema na chidi na ko fie no anaso wadi bema na chi ko fie no na ko so ko he wani se ya na ko he wani se ya ya hia na wadi mechi akọ fie o se me mfa na okofia ko eden se di no mfie nti akọ udi obema na china ko ni fie ni ya so ni bema na hia se mu hia kem se mu hia ni ya
da ko bosom na de ne be ko fie
am ko fie se ni 100 ma bibi happen me se me dem for so push them be oba for the first day na chance ni bem
only can I fala
fala
nti lawyer will take no
Make us say me fa drop in crown inside the coffee. Make us say cross oko crown Mr. Mosca. And your basa okwa or casa kwana no pinako. And requested for dropping and requested for scan.
And requested for scan.
Yeah. Make us say better na me dem crowd say pupu any chem. What say you sir? Na me memfa. Me fa for last week at.
Lawyer they also befa. Minimum about you. So what befa na so befa. Show you as what do you think?
Well, to me, I don't think it's a good thing. It's not a good idea. Why I see how you say, oh, can't go so before fake club hook, I will see what that.
We see my dream person a club.
And then me, I'm even thinking about health wise. Because that protection, it's it.
So health wise now can for both sides.
Yeah, for both sides.
We will come back from the commercial break. I drew a grown man. Pardon, man, Miss Maya ready. Yes, ladies first. Until nobody can put our question.
Dear friend Blowy. Or ex-girlfriend and our current girlfriend. Why am I best Blowy?
Yeah, we need an idea.
Any girlfriend, you say lawyer or lawyer.
Your wife, sorry.
You say best, I say back.
Or excellent.
And to your family, say me, and to me get me.
I know wife.
Oh, I'm an idea. I'm an idea.
There will be idea by Zibako. You say best, and you say back, a general.
No, be a best.
Will be your best.
You're good, better best. At least, say, offer away now, far away. Oh, yeah.
Why? I can't tell when you're my brother.
I'm here a good fan. Oh, yeah, I good to have me. Something who died here.
Okay. So, as though, lawyer, I was a drew so.
I'm saying, with me, you'll be your sex with groom. You'll be your sex, and that will man. And then your sex will groom.
That was a forest love making.
So for good. What? You're very saying.
100.
Okay, okay, press la second one. What's the second one?
I haven't done that question.
Hey.
Sex position ben now we good. Hey, no more question easy.
Let me some one who see but some be aka.
Lawyer, what's your question?
Be some talk with I'm sorry.
Obey day. Oh shit.
Another question.
Me will stop see me now marry you. No problem say.
And there be any question.
Me now mama no say.
Okay, but okay.
Me now marry you. Wrong. Open wrong na ha dey. For you mama. Me be no question.
When you truth or don't.
Me see me now marry.
That's a question. Men we the whole channel so on here.
Me wrong me ho ha.
Unya marry me. Unya marry me.
Dabi. Oh, I will patch.
This is the Uncle Berry. Okay, lawyer. The next question. No, I got last question. Last question is 3-3. I got 3-3, sister.
I don't know why you need to that.
Are you able to boy?
Because I'm saying who be me, my shut up. It's always so Binyam. Unyam
Lawyer, what was the last time I was share porn?
Oh, I check.
And Trump no child.
Lawyer.
And Trump
I check.
Phone, brab, your phone, my.
I check. Oh, no crap. I check.
Be your phone lock, my.
And I say me, my radio bad that they be.
Lawyer, be your phone, my.
I'm here, porn star.
Lawyer, be your phone, my.
Well, the phone may be a dear number here. Oh, me, mum, dear. Unyame, because me, no. Hey, na me porn star mo metia. Me ireti dam so de bia.
Na so hwe no on the laptop so ka be see the phone now.
Ya me bi ache. Me bi ache pan. Ache o.
Ta.
Ache.
Okay. You had them heard the Bible quotations in Kwan.
Nse me am Kristo ni. Anytime say heavy man ko bi e be ha me no.
Bible quotations in Kwan.
Bible quotations be.
Eh. Kristo asori
Sundays in Kwan.
Mark.
Sundays.
Oh,
sorry,
oh, nice.
Okay.
Nice.
I'm saying some last question.
Our last question.
John 10:30 there no. Hey, John 10:30. John 10:30. John 10:30.
Hey, Tomo.
Oh, lawyer Jai.
Susu. Lawyer.
Say with draka.
I wait not.
John 10:30. I and my father are one.
Sorry.
Ebusia na dey agro.
Wetin da kofi.
Ha na dey agro ni besi. Say ya na ye no. E checha adwin wi a. Na afi ye di agro kakra. The pia bontin na akodidi ni anu bi so kakra. If you want to be a part of this family, just leave your comments below and they will give you the shout out and all. But then from next week, the topics in Bema mo na mo so much share my adwin. So when we come here, we'll give you shout out as to we say and all that. Thank you very much for your time and everything. God bless you. It has always been the show Relationship Corner, and my name has always been Kofi Nyansa. God bless you. Bye bye.